Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I am coming to you with my last troll basket. I had to go back there and pull out the wicker basket, y'all. I have lots of baskets back there, but nothing that I can use really for Easter. Those baskets back there are more high-end, and I'll be using them for higher-end concepts. So anyway, without further ado, here is the last Trolls basket. All right, as you can see, we have the Trolls play set here. All right, we have our little Cookie Monster egg there with candy in it. He's sitting on top of the Peeps. And then here I have the little freeze-its that you put your Kool-Aid or whatever you want to put in there, and then you put it in the freezer and let them freeze. You make your own freeze pops with them. All right, we have an egg here on the side. All right, and then this is the back. In the back we have our Cheez-Its, our freeze pops. We have our Kool-Aid pops, our Kool-Aid jammer here. We have crowns. This is a troll coloring book. This is a troll hooded towel and washcloth set. And then on the side here I have a troll pouch with some more troll candy, as well as our fruit snacks here. I'm gonna throw some airheads in there because I have a lot of those. So let me grab some airheads real quick, maybe. And of course, we definitely don't want to forget our Rice Krispie treat. I think instead of airheads, I'm going to put some cookies in there. So let's put our cookies in there, which we're going to put right over here on the side. All right, let's put these cookies here. I think I'm going to put them over here with the egg. And the Peeps. All right, and then of course we have our Rice Krispie treat, which can also go right here. Alright, so I added the Rice Krispie treats and the bear grams. Alright, so this is the troll basket. My third or fourth troll basket, I think. Alright, and that is what this one is looking like. It is in a wicker basket. I put the handles up. Alright, we will wrap this and call it one and done, y'all. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.